seen the time?
No, it flies when you're having fun.
Yeah, I have to get back.
Well, there's petrol in the tank.
Well, my mum and Richard are back tonight. They wonder where I am.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
You're the boss.
Aid! You're going too fast.
This is nothing.
Aid, slow down!
Oh, call this fast.
Aid, there's people about!
I thought you were in a hurry.
If you don't slow down now, I'm getting out!
I'll take the shortcut.
No, don't!
We did, sir! Shut the door! Don't be daft! Shut it out! Sarah. Sarah?
Hey, you! Wait, come back! Come on. We need an ambulance. Quick! We need it now!
Don't worry, love. The firemen are here now. They're going to get you out as soon as they can. Don't you worry. Just let me get this oxygen on her. The head injuries look serious. Left pupil fixed and dilated. Probably internal bleeding. We've got to get her upright. Quick as you can. Take some of the pressure off her brain.
Keep breathing.
She can't be more than about 14.
Keep breathing, darling. That's it.
Look, the only problem you've got with my car is you're not driving it.
Get lost.
It's true.
Nick, how can I break this too gently? Your car screams a midlife crisis.
Yeah.
It does. It's a step away from growing a ponytail and buying a sunbed.
I don't like the look of this.
Is there someone in there? Oh, hang on. I know this car.
Jeff, radio ahead to A&E. Tell Trauma we need him on standby. Another disappearing driver. Stolen tonight, apparently.
Are you sure? That car belongs to my neighbour. I know this girl. Sarah Platt. She lives across the road.
You didn't know she was a twat?
No way. She's a really nice kid.
Nice kids stay in and do their homework.
How is she?
Alive. Just. A Trauma ready. We're going to need him.
Who does she think she is? She is a nice kid.
How well do you know the family?
Oh, don't you start.
I mean, someone's got to tell them. Do you want me to do it?
I'm sorry, Mick. I'm just a bit...
That's what I mean. Are you going to get upset?
No. I'll do it.